The man who oversaw the deployment of the UK drone registration system is coming to Geeksvana, and we need your questions to put to him. Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. Today we're asking for your help as the drone community, so stay tuned and be ready to respond. We run a weekly live stream each Thursday at 10 PM UK time and 5 PM Eastern, which includes a couple of different shows and some one-off specials. On Thursday, November the 12th, we will be hosting a special live stream with a special guest, Andrew Hamilton. These days, Andrew is part of the senior team over at Crowded Space Drones, who, amongst other things, offer drone public safety services. However, Andrew's previous role was as the UK CAA's Unmanned Aircraft System Lead, so he was the drone boss at the CAA. Involved in the drone world professionally for nearly a decade, Andrew is also a former inspector with Devon and Cornwall Constabulary, founding the first ever 24-hour police drone unit, which now has over 50 police officers trained as pilots. Under his leadership at the CAA, Andrew oversaw the approval of drone delivery programs and, as mentioned, assisted in the rollout of the UK drone registration scheme, DMARES. We're really looking forward to chatting with Andrew and find out more about his new role and some of the exciting new projects he has coming up. We're also looking forward to discussing his previous role at the CAA, and this is where we need your help. What questions would you like put forward to Andrew live on air? Do you as the community have any burning questions for someone who was within the system which decides which rules we fly our drones by? Are you a professional drone pilot or a hobbyist? You can ask a question which I will put directly live on air to Andrew. You can ask these questions in 3 ways. Put your question as a comment to this video, send me an email to sean@geeksvana.com, or join us live on the night, November 12th, and ask your question in the live chat. This is an interesting opportunity to sit down with a leader within the drone community in terms of regulation and now the private sector. So, we at Geeksvana want to ensure we ask the questions and gain the answers the drone community want. Get posting and send your questions in. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, you're still here. No in the seat.